This is Cameron, Vanguard Funding, discussing the corporate funding program we now offer to our clients. It's a very dynamic program. It gives our clients a chance to develop their own corporation, or we have a shelf corporation they can use to build up as well. The two ways to do it, as I mentioned earlier, you can have your own corporation. In that instance, we would build trade lines on your corporation. We would give you our 401 business listing if you don't have it. Give you Dun & Bradstreet listings, rating, a paydex number. First thing we do is give you vendor trade lines from like Ulico, Quill, I think it's called Sedum. Those are small vendor lines that offer like office supplies, equipment of that small nature. These will be the starter trade lines that go on your corporation. Or again, if we supply the corporation in a form of a shelf corporation, then it'd be the same process. We build that up as well. For those of you who don't know, a shelf corporation is just a corporation that's been sitting, it's aging, in hopes of once it's being used, you would take it off the shelf, so to speak, and start building upon it like a blank corporation. You can build upon that, or again, you can build on your current corporation. Either way, the first stage is putting vendor trade lines, then working on your Dun & Bradstreet, as we see here, getting your 401 listing, getting your paydex. Once those things are taken care of, we move to the next level, which is getting retail cards, such as Lowe's, Home Depot, maybe CVS, things like that. And then you graduate once those lines hit to a larger trade lines or credit cards, the unsecured credit cards, Visa, MasterCards, automobile loans, things of that nature. Next step after that is lines of credit. Now we're talking about $100,000 to $150,000 in this particular program, which is $34.95. So corporate funding is very possible. It's still a viable means of raising funds for any business or endeavor. You get a corporation, you build it properly, and you will get the funding. Sort of like your personal credit, but it's corporate. You just build it the same way. Get the trade lines, get your score high, get small cards, then go for the bigger trade lines. The only difference is more money with corporate. And in this instance, I didn't mention that, but in this instance, particular in this program, this is a no PG funding. What that means is there's no personal guarantor needed. It's not linked to your personal Social Security number or profile. So let's say, for example, God forbid, the business doesn't work out or something happens to impact your business negatively, you file bankruptcy. The bankruptcy goes on the business and not your credit. You're no longer liable for the funds that were borrowed. A lot of the larger corporations or a lot of multimillionaires have that way of doing things where they would, get this large sums of money and file bankruptcy, and then you can buy another corporation, do the process all over again. That's a little more advanced techniques, but though people do that, and it is available to you. For more information, give me a call. My name is Cameron, 202-213-2218. I want to also mention a lot of clients, this process takes 3 to 4 months. A lot of my clients need funds right away for their business. We do have a quick business loan that's available now in 24 to 48 hours. It's called a merchant cash advance. This is based upon your bank statement. So the more money you put in your bank account, the more of a loan you will get. How it works is you get 6 months bank statements, and they'll lend you twice your bank deposit. So let's say you're pulling in $50,000 a month, then we would take that and multiply by 2, give you a loan for up to $100,000. No credit check, no questions asked. As long as the bank statements are legit and you have some one-page application, they don't check your personal credit. They forward the funds to you and close. It's a great program as well. Call me to find out more about that one as well. My name is Cameron again. My number is 202 213-2218. Have a great day.